Welcome to Wow You. Myself Cheshta Sethi here back with you and sharing you some important current affairs of June 2021. On demand of the audience, I would like to teach you in Hindi as well as in English. Square Inc. belongs to the owner of which social media major? Square Inc. जो ट्विटर के मालिक जैक डॉर्सी से संबंधित है. So the answer is Twitter. जहां वोट वहां वैक्सीनेशन कैंपेन इज एन इनिशिएटिव ऑफ विच इंस्टीट्यूशन. दिल्ली सरकार ने जहां वोट वहां टीकाकरण नाम से एक अभियान शुरू किया. सो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ दिल्ली बी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट, विच इंटरगवर्नमेंटल ग्रुप हैज अनाउंस्ड द मिनिमम ग्लोबल टैक्स ऑन मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी. आंसर इज बी. G7 ने हाल ही में इंटरनेशनल कंपनीज पर ग्लोबल टैक्स लगाया. डू यू नो द स्टेट हैज़ रिलीज्ड अ शॉर्ट फिल्म टाइटल्ड छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज शिव राज्य अभिषेक दिवस. शॉर्ट फिल्म बनाई. इसका आंसर गोवा है. आई फैमिलिया नाम का डाटाबेस लॉन्च किया गया है किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के द्वारा. उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को द इंटरनेशनल लॉ इन्फोर्समेंट एजेंसी यानी इंटरपोल कहा जाता है. डू यू नो इन विच लैंग्वेज द इंटरनेशनल एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनियन हैज़ अप्रूव्ड 8 नेम्स फॉर फीचर्स ऑन द मून. IAU ने चंद्रमा पर सुविधाओं के लिए 8 चीनी नामों को मंजूरी दी है. डल लेक सिचुएटेड इन विच सिटी? श्रीनगर ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. डल झील को कश्मीर के ताज में गहना भी कहा जाता है. हाल ही में झील में अवैध निर्माण की खबरें आई हैं. Monument which was making news is 4,000 years old was memorial located in which country? सीरिया में व्हाइट मॉन्यूमेंट युद्ध में मारे गए सैनिकों के सम्मान में बनाया गया था. Chandrayaan X-ray Observatory was launched by which space agency? Also known as the Advanced X-ray Astrophysics Facility, is launched by NASA. क्या आपको पता है एक चॉकलेट फ्रॉग लिटोरिया मीरा that has been discovered from the rainforest of New Guinea? ऑस्ट्रेलियन साइंटिस्ट ने हाल ही डिस्कवर किया है एक न्यू स्पीशीज ऑफ ट्री फ्रॉग. State has launched the portal named Akanksha? Yes, the Karnataka. ये पोर्टल सभी को CSR कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के डिटेल्स प्रोवाइड करेगा. नेक्स्ट, नेम द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन इंडिया developed near isothermal forging technology for producing jet engine component. Answer is B, DRDO, the Defense Research and Development Organization. This is one of the important. PM Care for Children. Under this scheme, the central government would support the children who have lost both the parents due to the COVID-19. Must give this information to the needy. PSBs in India announced to provide unsecured loans to individual up to a limit of rupees 5 lakh. This is the part of 3 new loan product introduced by PSBs. Tianzhou 2 is the spacecraft of which country? China. Also known as the Heavenly Vessel is China's cargo spacecraft. हाल ही में पाकिस्तान ने चाइना की मदद से होममेड कोविड-19 वैक्सीन लॉन्च करी. कोविड वैक्सीन का नाम पाकवाक है. So the Pakwak is the name of a homemade COVID-19 vaccine launched by the Pakistan. The government teacher in Punjab have successfully completed Rabda Muhim, a week-long campaign organized by the state school education department. Do you know the red tourism which has seen in the news is associated in which country? Yes, China. China launches the red tourism in 2004 to promote the location with historical and cultural significance. APEDA identifies Mathura and Banaskantha as cluster for export development in which sector? EPF promote export of dairy product. Answer is B. RDSO is the first Indian institution to be declared as SDO. Next, SETAT scheme, which stand for the Sustainable Alternative Towards Affordable Transportation, is associated by affordable transportation sector, launched on 1 October 2018. द टर्म मिक्सिंग एंड मैचिंग किससे रिलेट करती है? कोविड वैक्सीनेशन से। NACI ऑफ कनाडा रिकमेंड करती है मिक्सिंग एंड मैचिंग ऑफ अ सेकेंड डोज ऑफ COVID-19 vaccination. Recently, meat supply company has fallen trap. The computer network of world's largest meat supplier JBS have been hacked. So the company name is JBS. Do you know the sector in which the Union Cabinet has approved an MOU between India and Maldives as well as Japan? The correct answer is the Sustainable Urban Development. MOU was signed in February 2021. Next, under which regulation the Government of India proposed for Rent Authority to regulate renting of premises? The Prime Minister has approved the Model Tenancy Act, whose draft was first released in 2019. Which country's environmental agency hosted the International Nitrogen Initiative 2021? INI 2021 is being hosted by the Germany's Federal Environmental Agency. COVID-19 vaccine Sinovac, which has been granted approval by WHO, is developed by the China. Sinovac Biotech Limited has been granted emergency use approval by the WHO. Again, here's some related caution: mixing and matching. That's relate to the COVID vaccination. This means that the people who reside in Canada have taken the vaccination as their first shot. As I already told you, JBS, the world's largest meat supplier, has been hacked and the firm has fallen trap to ransomware attack. This had forced the company to shut its operations. Isaac Herzog as the 11th president of which country? Yes, Israel. He is the labor leader and son of the former president. Next is Leadership Group for Industry Transition. LEAD IT is the climate change initiative led by India and Sweden. LEAD IT is an Indian-Swedish climate change initiative. Who is the winner of the 2021 International Booker Prize? Answer A. David Diop has become the first French writer to win the International Booker Prize. Next, SAGE is the initiative of which union minister? Option B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. SAGE stands for Senior Care Aging Growth Engine. AMB is the nanofiber based tablet developed by IITH for curing which disease? Kala Azar. Researchers from the Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, has developed this. Next, after the RBI's Monetary Policy Committee meeting held in June 2021, the repo rate is fixed at 4%. If you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe and share. Very thank you.